Assalamualaikum and hello guys. Today our group going to present about 6 steps to process tax procedure. So D is our group's members. Estimate tax liability. Company must be prepared an estimate of the tax liability for the year of assessment 2023 based on projected income, allowable deduction and applicable tax rate. This involves forecasting the financial performance of the business for the year. Tax submitted. The estimated tax should be submitted to the Inland Revenue Board of Malaysia or LHDN by the deadline, which is typically within 30 days after the beginning of the financial year.
Next, for the monthly installments, companies are required to make monthly tax installment payments based on their estimated tax liability. These payments are intended to spread the tax burden throughout the year. The estimated tax liability is divided into monthly installments. For instance, if the estimated tax is Rm 120,000, the company would generally pay Rm 10,000 each month. Payment should be made using the prescribed methods, typically through online banking, LHDN online portal, or other authorized channels. Monthly installment payments are due by the 15th of each month and ensure timely payments to avoid late payments, penalties, and interest.
If there are significant changes in the company's financial situation, such as a major change in income or expenses, the initial estimate may need to be revised. Firstly, revised estimate must be prepared. In this process, the tax liability should be recalculated based on the updated financial information. Next is submit revision. File the revised estimate with LHDN. This typically involves submitting a revised estimate form through LHDN's online portal or in person.
So here, number 4 is submission of tax form and payment. At the end of the accounting period, every company needs to send a tax form to make tax payment that have been imposed, known as Form C and or R. Every company needs to send the form within 7 months after the end of the financial year. This form aims to find out information of income, expenses, and the tax of tax relief imposed on the company. And the companies can also use this form if there are tax areas that have not been paid in the previous years.
Amendments are written. This form is intended to give the company the opportunity to amend or update the tax form sent due to the tampering by the IRB by using Form Q. Next, the company is only allowed to send this form within 6 months of the deadline for sending the original form and is only limited to information changes and waivers.
Yes, the final procedure is final payment of income tax. In this final phase, the IRB will evaluate each form sent from the company and they will analyze the correctness of the tax that has been charged and will make the refund payment if there is an excess amount of tax that has been made by the company or instruct the company to make an additional payment if there is a lack of tax payment. If there are additional tax areas, the company must clear the payment within 30 days from the date of the assessment notice issued by the IRB, and the IRB will charge additional if the company failed to clear the payment within the stipulated period. So, we have the 6th procedure of tax obligation under tax assessment of 2023. So, bye.